Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make juicy salmon in oven. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees F, pat the fillet dry, season with salt and pepper, and brush with olive oil to seal moisture. Place skin side down on a lined tray and bake until opaque and flaky, about 10-12 minutes per inch of thickness. Rest briefly, then finish with lemon, herbs, or a quick glaze for shine and flavor today. For bright flavor, start with a base of salt, pepper, and a touch of lemon zest, then add complementary layers like maple mustard or soy and honey. Apply glazes sparingly so the fish can caramelize without burning, and reserve fresh herbs for the finish to avoid browning. Monitor baking time closely based on thickness, and use a quick sear under the broiler only if you want extra color and texture on top. Timing matters more than technique. Aim for roughly 10 minutes per inch of thickness and check with an instant read thermometer. Remove the salmon around 125 degrees F for a medium, juicy result because carryover heat will finish cooking during rest. If you prefer firmer fish, target 135 degrees F, but avoid overcooking, which dries the fillet. Always let the fish rest 3 to 5 minutes and finish with acid and herbs to brighten the plate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.